back through all the years, look at the memories on the wall, pick up the shards of glass again. I'd reminisce and make pretend we had it good, and then we'd laugh. I think